Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to go through and do percent change. Okay, so here is what I have. I went through my Gummy Bear lab and I filled in my day one information all across here. This is for Gummy Bear number 1, day 1. Gummy Bear number 1, day 2, I have my information here. Okay, now to do percent change, there's two parts to this. Number 1, we're going to need to find the change or the difference, and then we're going to divide by the old original starting, however you want to think of it, value. Okay, so for example, for length, okay, the difference from day 1 to day 2, so 3 minus 1.5, that's a difference of 1.5. So I'm finding the change is 1.5. Okay, then I'm going to take this, divide 1.5 by the original value, okay, which also happens to be 1.5. So 1.5 divided by 1.5 is 1. Now, to find a percent, you're going to take whatever this number is times 100, and it's going to give me a percent. So my percent change for this length is going to be 100%. So it's increased 100%. So let's do the next one. Okay, so first thing I do, I find the change. So 0.5 to 1.5 is a change of 1. Okay, I'm going to take this number divided by the original value, which is 0.5. 1 divided by 0.5. There we go. Please do use your calculators. 1 divided by 0.5 is 2. Okay. Now, 2 is not the same as 2%. So in order to get a percent, I'm going to take this number times 100, and that's going to give me 200%. Okay, better? Yes? No? Maybe? Let's go over here and try the density ones because those are kind of interesting. So for the density, I started with 1.3 and it went to 1.875. So to get the difference, I'm going to subtract. Okay, let's do 1.875 minus 1.3, which gives me a difference of 0.575. Okay, I'm going to take this number, on my screen, my bad, 0.575 divided by my original number, which I go back up here, it's 1.3, divided by 1.3. So 0.575 divided by 1.3 gives me, here we go with the decimal, 0.44230, blah, 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 blah. I want to go to the second decimal point, so I'm going to go 0.44. 0.44 is not a percent, so to take this into a percent, I need to multiply by 100. 0.44 times 100 equals 44%. Okay, so my percent increase for density is 44%. All right. If you have questions, watch this again. Get help from a friend or neighbor that's struggling, or myself. Okay.